everybody, it's your girl Mo, and I'm back with another video. Today I would like to bring you guys a video how you can maintain your box braids. These box braids are actually pretty large. I would call them medium, but they actually are large. So we're gonna do a video about how to maintain these large box braids. I have had these box braids in for about a month. And what I've noticed is that my hair has started to come out of the braid somehow. I guess from like rubbing it up against my shirt. But yeah, so I'm gonna tell y'all how I'm gonna fix this. Cause I mean, I'm not keeping this in for much longer, but we can fix the frizziness, some of the dirt, things like that. Products that I'll be using in this video is first, of course, a water bottle, a spray bottle. These two oils. This is what is this? Black Castor Oil, and this is Argan Oil. And then I'll be using this Braid Sheen spray, which is good for relieving dryness, tightness, or sore braids, and softens and conditions hair. I'm mostly using it for the conditioning properties right behind the spray bottle. My techniques are a little bit different than other people's. Oh, and I have Mousse. So let's go ahead and get right into this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel to keep getting this content. And yeah, let's get into the video. First things first, I'm gonna go ahead and oil my scalp with the Black Castor Oil. So I got my mirror down here, which is where I'll be looking. You guys can just watch me. But yeah, so I'm taking the oil and just putting it in all my parts. I don't really use light oils on my hair because it leaves behind a residue like coconut oil. It took me a while to realize that coconut oil was like no good for my hair because like it literally does not absorb on my scalp. It just sit there, and then that's where like flakes come from. So I don't really use coconut oil anymore. Yeah, Black Castor Oil has been doing it, and my hair has been growing a lot. If you guys do not know, I recently hit waist length. If you would like a video on my natural hair journey, then please comment down below, and then I'll have y'all in the very near future. So I have officially finished oiling my scalp with the Black Castor Oil. Now I'm just about to massage that in to my scalp. And when you're massaging your scalp, if you have nails like me, just make sure you're using your fingertips and not your actual nails to massage into your scalp, because you might accidentally snag your hair. I've had problems with this in the past, and you do not want to do that. So make sure you're using your fingertips. We're just gonna massage for a good minute or so. It's really good to massage your hair if you want your hair to grow fast, a little bit faster. Or you can even try the inversion method. I've tried it, and the times that I did try it, it really did work. So you should try it too. And let me know how it works out for you. But you do have to do it over a period of a week. That's the only thing. You can't just do it one day and expect, you know, results. Okay, so now that we've, you know, done our scalp really good, put the oil on there, everything like that, you want to focus on your hair strands, because your scalp is not the only thing that matters when your hair is in braids. So what I like to do is get a water bottle with water in it, nothing but water, and I literally just spray my braids. Like, some people think this is not a good idea, but if you have natural hair, you have to understand that your hair loves moisture, and when you have moisture in your hair, that's what makes your hair grow. Like, that's one of the things that makes your hair grow. So you want to make sure that your actual hair strands are moisturized in the braids as well. Yeah, some people scared of getting frizz, but either you want frizz or you want long hair. Which one is it? You want long healthy hair, or you scared of a little frizz? Personally, I would take the long healthy hair, but everybody is doing something different. So I have finished misting my hair with the spray. One thing I'm gonna say, do not drench your braids with water. You do not need that much. You do not need that much water. All you're doing is trying to, like, you know, mist it, hydrate it. I feel like I should have I really wanted to put some of this on my scalp before I did this. Oh well. I'm still gonna put some on there, because it's really good for conditioning. So I'm just gonna still put some on there. Even though I still believe that it would have been better to put this on before the oil, because oil locks things in. You guys, this spray, if y'all have never seen this in the store, y'all gotta find it, because this spray is so good and it smells good as well. But another thing I like to do is just take the spray on my hair strands as well, because like I said, it is good for conditioning and softening. And like I said, some of my hair is already starting to come out the braids. So I'd rather put some of this on here now than my hair to be getting like dry over time, because I'm not doing anything to it. So yeah, we're gonna move on to the next thing, which is gonna be this oil. This is argan oil. It's a light oil. I'm gonna put it over everything I just did to my hair strands, and then we're gonna mousse. So taking about, I want to say a dime to a quarter amount, I'm gonna rub it in my hands, and then take some braids and literally just rub my braids down. I probably should have took these off before I did this, but you want to make sure you're going all the way down as far as you think your hair goes throughout the braids. For me, I want to say that my hair is about here. I think, I can't tell because this mix of hair, but yeah. So you want to go as far down as you think your hair goes. You don't really need to put this on your scalp because you already oil your scalp with the black castor oil. This is really just for your hair, something light, but something that coats it to keep it keep the moisture in. So we're gonna move over on to applying the mousse to our hair. Here I have the Style and Shine foaming mousse, and it creates a soft wrap, define curls, and prevents frizz, and adds extra shine. But we're basically using this to prevent frizz. So I have my scarf here as well. I'm gonna just take it in a V type of shape like this, and then I'm gonna take a few pumps of the mousse, maybe more than a few, but you want to shake it up a little bit. I'm gonna just put it on all over my head, all over. This stuff actually does not smell bad, but yeah, you want to get it all over. You're not gonna be able to get all the frizz because it's natural hair. Your hair is natural, baby. That's what it does, but it's gonna get a good amount. So once I have all this on my head, I'm gonna basically pat it down into my hair while moving it down to my hair strands as well to get some of that frizz. Alright, so I'm just gonna put my scarf on right quick before it dries completely. I would usually do this with like a do-rag, but a scarf works just as well. It don't gotta be perfect. I'm just gonna tie it to the side over here. Tuck it. And then we're gonna wait for about, say 10 to 15 minutes. And I'll come back. I'm back and it has been about 10 minutes. The timer just went off. So I'm gonna take my scarf off now. And then we can go ahead and clean up our edges. Honestly, I don't do edges on the regular. That's just not something that I like to do, because if you do you know, gel or anything on your edges too much, you could potentially bald yourself or something like that, and that's not what I'm looking for right now. So we're gonna fix our edges, and then that will be it for this tutorial. Ooh, y'all, we did good. Now normally I would keep my scarf on all night if I did this at night. This is how it looks now. It looks so clean again. But yeah, so I'm gonna fix my edges. I have this edge brush with the brush and the comb on one side, and I'll be using the Got To Be Ultra Glued for my edges. And like I said, this is not something that I do often, so I'm only gonna put a little bit, not too much. You really don't need a lot of this stuff because it gets stuck down pretty quickly. I really don't even need edge gel because my edges not even like that. I got some like thin edges, y'all. Well, not thin, but fine edges. Wait, where all the gel go? I know I ain't just put all the gel right there in that one spot. But yeah, so I'm gonna edge it down. I gotta get a little more because I accidentally went and put the gel, too much gel in one spot, y'all. I'm gonna do my sideburns too, because those like to stand up for no reason. I gotta put a little bit more on those ones. But yeah, like I said, I rarely do this. I'd be happy to do this. Like, I love doing edges, but it's just not beneficial. If you want to grow health, if you want to have healthy edges, just don't do this all the time. Just be chill with your hair, okay? Let your hair do what it want to do. And like I said, if y'all want to see my natural hair journey, how I grew my hair to as long as it is, please comment down below. We have reached the end of our tutorial, and this is how my hair looks after I've done the whole process that I showed you that I like to do. I'm gonna re-tie my hair down after this. Not all the frizz is gone, as you can see, but like I said, I'm about to put my scarf back on because I like to keep it on for longer than 10 minutes. Y'all can keep it on as long as you want, but yeah, I'm gonna tie my hair back down just so I can like mostly tie my edges down. And hopefully you guys try this tutorial on y'all braids to help maintain them, especially if you have smaller braids than me. They'll last longer, but these braids are not meant to last, you know, really longer than a month and a half at most because they're so big. But yeah, hopefully y'all like this tutorial. Y'all like the video right now, comment and subscribe to my channel so that y'all can keep getting my content, and I'll see y'all in the next video.